Welcome to our product channel, the Climax International. Product details: name: Singer Heavy Duty 4432 110 stitch applications, metal frame, stainless steel bedplate made easy sewing machine, gray. Product features: 1. Heavy duty metal frame, adds stability and provides long-lasting durability. 2. Sewing machine accessories. A variety of accessories are included: all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper, lint brush, edge, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin, and spool pin felt are all conveniently located and stored in the accessory tray. A soft-sided dust cover is also included in the packaging. 3. Reverse stitch sewing machine. The Singer 4432 heavy-duty sewing machine has a built-in reverse lever so you can sew in reverse and reinforce stitches. 4. Limited 90-day for adjustments, belts, rings, bulbs, attachments, limited 2-year for motors, light assembly, wiring, switches, speed control and electronic components, limited 25-year for sewing machine head. 5. Included components, includes, all-purpose, zipper, buttonhole, and button sewing feet, seam ripper, lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt, soft-sided dust cover, manual, power cord, foot controller, quick start guide. 6. 110 stitch applications. Product details: model number 4432. Description: 32 stitch heavy duty sewing machine. Product: sewing machine. Light bulb, LED. Dimensions: 15.2 inches wide by 12 inches high x 6.2d.